Here it is right here, guys. Let me tell you something about this strange vehicle right here. It's not really strange, but I was summoned out here. When you see this, you might be in for a world of trouble. The customers say the last shop they was at, and y'all know where this is going. When I say the last shop, obviously I'm referring to Cousin Pookie. Oh, we got jumper cables right here. Okay. What am I supposed to do? Obviously the battery not dead. I just summoned the alarm. They want me to check the battery. Why do we need to check the battery? So I got power. The horn worked. I'll see where they start in a minute. But the seat. Oh damn. That's what's going on. Oh, these bolts. That's a new battery. Why they want me to check a new battery? You know what? I think they want me to... Is this tight? Yeah, the seats. The dummy left the seats loose. Why did he take the seat out? Guys, you don't have to take the damn seat out to replace a battery. What you do is... Okay, hold on. Let me start over. This is a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Don't matter the year. I guess it do between 2011 and 2021. So 2011, all the Jeep Grand Cherokees, the battery is under the seat. Now to gain access to the, got bolts right here. They took the whole damn seat. Oh my goodness. Okay, for the record, if you're a Jeep owner, no. You do not have to, oh my goodness. You do not have to remove the seat in order to replace the battery. Just let the seat all the way up like I'm doing right here. In fact, the lumbar make it go all the way forward, and then on top of that, make it go up as high as it can. And guess what? You can now gain access to the battery. So maybe they didn't know that. If you're a mechanic, you should have common sense, but I might be blaming Cousin Pookie for something he didn't do. Somebody did this, maybe a relative, but it's so much information out there. How to replace a battery. In fact, I'm gonna name this that. How to replace a battery on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Auxiliary battery. Say, I'm thinking they didn't know they had to remove this first in order to get the big battery out. So with the seat out of the way, yeah, they took the seat all the way, all the bolts out. With the seat out of the way, you can let me put this shit back in here. Big dummies. With the seat out of the way, first let me put this cover on. With the seat out of the way, you can replace that big battery and not have to move the auxiliary battery. But at that point, is it worth it? Is it worth the hassle, man? Just take the damn, just move the seat all the way up. Unless, I take that back, unless the battery was dead and you had no way to jump it. Which could have been the case, okay? And you gotta be careful on these. If you cross jump these, you're gonna pop a damn fusee. Yeah, look how easy that is to get with that seat like this. So maybe that's what they was thinking. All right, I cut them some slack. But I ain't cutting no mechanic no slack. I'm gonna cut regular consumer some slack because they might just not know this. All right, but I'm telling you now, you don't have to do this. All right, yeah, just, oh my goodness. I never thought I'd have to make such a video. You don't have to remove the seat. All that information out there in YouTube University. Okay, that's not funny. I used to be, so, but I gotta go get my drill and hammer these down because this is a seat, guys. This is safety. It has to be on nice and good. Is that a word? Good and good. All right, cables. Why is cables in here? I gotta find out if it'll start. All right, so let's do this. Yeah, all my lights are on. Oh, it starts right up. All right, guys, I'm guessing they just wanted me to fix their seat. So I got to drive this to my air or to my electric drill and hammer these bolts down. Guys, that's all I have. Jeep Grand Cherokee, don't take the damn seat out. Just raise the seat or, pull the seat all the way forward. If it's electric, use the switch. If it's manual, just pull up the handle and slide it all the way forward. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.